We manage a bunch of money for over 100 families in our financial planning firm, and typically we only recommend using funds instead of individual stocks. But we thought it would be fun to play the ponies anyway and do a stock picking contest here between the four of us that work in the office. So what we're going to do is pick 3 stocks apiece and figure out which does the best over a 1-month interval. Now, not only do we usually use funds instead of individual securities, but we never really speculate about what the market's going to do over a 1-month interval. So we'll each pick a company that we think is going to do the best over the next month, in addition to 2 at random. One, by throwing the marker at a wall that includes the list of every stock in the Russell 3000, and a second by taking that same list, putting it on the floor, and then putting to it, and then figuring out where the ball lands. Now, here are the rules. We each have to pick a stock that's included in the Russell 3000, which is a pretty good composite index of the entire publicly traded US stock market. And then we'll gauge the returns using total return. That means if the price goes up, that counts as return. If we get a dividend distribution, that counts as return too. So here's the list of all the companies in the Russell 3000. We're going to throw markers at this list here in just a minute. My pick is going to be Flex Steel. The ticker symbol is FLXS, and my rationale for it is that we're looking at 30-day performance, so I'm going for a pick that's going to have maximum action. And this company is announcing earnings in the next month. It's somewhat interest rate sensitive. It's a furniture manufacturer and importer, and we have a Fed meeting coming up in the upcoming month too. Chances are they're probably going to reduce rates. That would be good for this company, and it's above its 50 and 200-day moving averages. So I have no idea how it'll go, but that's my rationale. All right, who's up next? Megan? This is Megan.
That's me.
It's our Director of Operations. What's your pick?
I chose Micron Technologies, ticker symbol MU.
And why did we choose Micron?
The AI and memory chip space has been performing well, so I suspect that will continue into the month of October.
Good reason. All right, we'll see how it goes. Okay, next up, Sean. Sean's our associate planner.
Hi, I'm Sean, and I'm picking Anglo Gold Ashanti because its symbol is AU, which is the symbol for gold on the periodic table. And gold's doing hot right now. We're going to lower interest rates, and it's going to send gold to the moon. So,
are we sure that's in the Russell 3000?
That is added on June 27th of this year, sir.
Oh,
so we
barely
squeaked in.
Recent reconstitution. All right.
Yes.
So what's the name? AU is a symbol?
AU, and it is Anglo Gold Ashanti.
Interesting tactic. We'll see how it works out. All right, Bethany's up next. Bethany is our lead planner here at the firm. What's your choice?
My choice is Quanta Services, and the ticker is PWR. And the reason for that is we have a client who holds a substantial position in Quanta, and so I'm curious.
So you're following along with the client and rooting to see,
That's right.
Rooting for it to do well.
Yes,
all right.
I am.
Good rationale. We'll see how that works out. All right, now we're going to throw markers at the wall. Megan has a green marker, right?
Yes.
And what do you think the best way to throw it is? End over end or like a dart?
Probably like a dart.
All right, go for it.
Okay.
All right, we got one.
We're in between.
OTTR, Otter, OTTR. Anybody know what that company is?
Is that the phone, like OtterBox?
Ottertail Corporation. And they make otter tails? What do they do? We have confirmation. Energy company based in Minnesota. And Bethany, what do they do?
An electric utility and manufacturing business.
Electric utility and manufacturing. Sean has chosen the blue marker.
I'm going underhand dart. Ready?
Underhand, interesting.
No mark.
Any mark?
No mark.
No mark. Do it again.
Ah,
Get one?
Terrible.
I think you need to go overhand here.
Overhand it is. There it is.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice.
Now, I think that's LSCC.
That is LSCC.
All right, let's circle it and make sure we know where it's at. What is LSCC? I don't know that company either.
Let's look.
Semiconductor.
LSCC, Lattice Semiconductor. All right, that was fortuitous. Semiconductors, good chance to do well in the next month. Bethany has selected the red marker. She's a lefty. I don't think we made a mark though, did we?
Okay, I don't think so.
All right,
Try again.
do over.
No.
0 for 2?
Over 2.
All right, all right. Maybe we'll get darts next time. There it is.
GHC.
GHC.
Not sure what that is, but
Okay, GHC, we don't know that company either. See, I told you we used funds most of the time. Graham Holdings Company, Education and Media Services, you said, Sean?
That's right. Professional training and post-secondary education businesses largely outside the U.S.
Okay. End over end or like a dart? Did we figure out which way's best?
Dart seems to work well.
Dart seems to work well. I'm gonna go on the right side.
make a mark.
I think it did, yeah. Oh, bingo, PayPal.
PayPal.
Whoa, nice.
We all know PayPal.
Wait, where is it? Gotta zoom out. Put your finger on it. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
PayPal.
PayPal.
Okay.
Bingo.
Very nice.
All right, so we've taken our list, we put it on the floor. Megan's going to putt to her second random pick here. I have selected comically small youth-sized putters from my kids' golf bags. Nice putt, Megan. Is it gonna stay on? Oh, too strong. Take two. Good speed. Nicely done. Oh, all right, take three.
That carries.
Yep, the paper speeds it up. Greens are fast today. Megan, I like how you keep moving the ball back because it keeps rolling off.
She adjusted.
Good adjustment, yeah. All right,
Way too far back.
let's move a little closer maybe and see if we can keep it on the sheet. That looks pretty good. Are we gonna stay on? Oh, we're staying on. Nice job. Now, what do we have here? That looks like MOS to me.
Mosaic Company.
Mosaic Company. What do they do?
are a marketing and concentrated phosphate and potash crop nutrients. Oh, they make fertilizers.
Fertilizer. Okay. All right. Fertilizer. Megan, you've got a nice diversified portfolio here of 3 stocks and 3 different industries. And we'll see how it goes. Sean's up next. Blue marker.
Blue marker it is. Comical. Oh, it's too fast.
A little too fast.
Put it from the spot.
Sure.
Too fast again.
Oh boy.
I'm not good at this.
Maybe we should incorporate the number of strokes it takes to get on the paper as part of the contest. There we go. Okay. That's looking pretty good.
Ready?
Yep. What do we have?
Pick it.
INTA.
INTA. INTAP.
INTAP. It's kind of fun to
Engages in the
say.
provision of information technology services, provides industry-specific cloud-based software solutions for the professional and financial industries globally.
Okay.
It's a winner.
Cloud software and gold. Sean's checking all the boxes today.
So, how are you supposed to do this? Like, you bend over and you squat? Like, what's
You want your feet
what's the proper-
lined up towards.
It's so short. Am I
Yep.
supposed to, like...
That's right. Well, it's for a 5-year-old, so it's comically small.
Okay, all right.
Grant invests.
So, yep,
in-
there you go.
Oh, very nice.
Nicely done. Might be a little strong.
Too strong.
All right,
Okay.
we can putter from there.
Okay, I think I can do this. Barely touch it.
Nicely done.
Oh, it's...
Oh,
I
no.
barely hit it.
Barely did it again.
Okay, I gotta...
Tough conditions today.
I know, it's the wind.
One more. Just tap, tap, tap it in.
Stay on. Stay on.
No!
Oh,
What? This is harder than it looks.
miniature golfing might need to be our next outing.
Okay.
I think that's a winner.
Oh, come on.
No.
What? I swear, I feel like I'm hitting it the same as that first time where it barely moved an inch.
Gotta get that touch.
That's on there.
Okay, excellent. Okay.
All right, here we go. MTUS.
Okay, MTUS it is.
MTUS Metallus
Metallus.
engages in the manufacture of alloy, carbon, and microalloy steel products.
Carbon micro alloy steel products, you say?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mechanical tubing, gears, grades of steel, jumbo bloom, vertical casters.
Those are all words that
They're words.
could be good for stock performance. We'll see.
Yeah.
Only left-handed putter in the group. Too strong. Yeah, it is
You gotta
very
aim
quick
for it.
on
You
the
gotta-
green of the Russell 3000. Very hard.
The wind.
Well, it's the wind. Yeah, we'll need to adjust the parameters next time a little bit.
I think so.
All right, that'll stay on there. Maybe not.
Oh.
Oh, my goodness. Yeah, it wants to. Okay, we're on. We're on. And HWM. HWM.
Howmet Aerospace.
Howmet Aerospace.
Howmet Aerospace engages in the development and manufacturing of lightweight metal products. Operates the following segments: engine products, fastening systems, engineering structures, and forged wheels. There you go.
Sweet. So here are my picks. Flex Steel was my choice. I wound up with PayPal on my dart throw and then Howmet Aerospace on my putt. I mean, I'm feeling okay about Flex Steel. PayPal has had a little bit of a rough year. It opened the year around 90 bucks. It's now trading at about 67 as I sit here recording this. It's lost a lot of market share this year to other financial processing companies. Venmo, Klarna, those kind of companies are taking market share and it's down a little bit this year. Howmet Industries, or Aerospace, I'd never heard of before, but they're a big producer of aerospace parts. They sell a lot to Boeing, and so how goes Boeing goes a lot of the rest of that industry. They started the year, stock price was at about $110 a share. They're up to like $195, so they're up maybe 80%-ish so far this year. That might wind up being a pretty good pick. All right, Megan, you chose Micron.
I did.
You had, and then you got Otter Pop. What is that one again?
Ottertail.
Ottertail
And Mosaic.
And Mosaic. How are you feeling?
I feel good about all three of these. Ottertail and Mosaic are both kind of core industries with utility and agriculture. And then, of course, Micron is in the tech and AI space, which I'm confident will perform well.
Excellent. All right, we'll check in a week and see how it's going. Sean, how are you feeling about your picks?
Feel pretty good. I got AU, gold miner. Gold's been doing really well. Probably continue doing really well. We'll see. LSCC is a semiconductor manufacturer of some sort. Semiconductors, that's a hot thing,
It's hard to go wrong with those right now.
right? INTA is an app developer that is down from the 70s where it started the year. It's down in the 40s somewhere, and seems to be headed in the wrong direction. So we'll hope for a turnaround, but that seems to be, at least based on these analyses.
If you had to pick one of these three, which do you think is going to do the best over the next month?
I would go with gold.
Well, that's good. If you picked anything other than your own selection, we'd have questions about your methodology.
Right. Gold it is. Gold for the
Gold
win.
it is. Going gold.
Okay.
Bethany, you had Quanta Services. We have a client with a whole bunch of Quanta stocks, so we're playing along, rooting for that one to do well. And then GHC and MTUS. What are those companies?
Sure. So GHC is Graham Holding Company, and that is a diversified education and media company. I think the only subsidiary that I was familiar with is Kaplan. You know, they do test prep and they do.
We get to use
yep.
Kaplan all the time over here, don't
That's right, professional services. So that was the only company that I was familiar with Graham Holdings. So I don't know how they're going to do over the next 30 days, but hopefully well. And then the last one that I selected was one for my putt. I got MTUS, which is Metallus, and it's a manufacturing company that manufactures specialty metals for aerospace, defense, energy, automobile industry. So I don't know how they're going to do over the next 30 days. Hopefully well.
All right.
But I'm really rooting for PWR for our clients. So go Quanta.
So Quanta is energy related. Graham Holdings is cloud-based education, and then the last one again was what industry?
Metallus.
Metallus. Okay. So 3 different sectors. We'll find out. All right. So here's our 12 picks. I'm feeling pretty good about them. As I mentioned, we usually deal with funds. We don't usually deal with individual securities because when you play the ponies and try to pick individual securities and figure out which one's going to do better, usually you're not going to reach as good a long-term outcome. So we're going to do it anyway and see how it goes. In our next video, we'll be 7 days in. We'll check on the performance of these 12 and take everybody's pulse on how they're feeling about their picks.